Anubji, hi, this is Shubash. By qualification, I am a mechanical engineer and I work in private sector. But yes, my job involves a lot of traveling. So sticking to the plans is little bit a challenge, but I'm managing it somehow. Now coming to my stats, basically when I started this program, I got it checked through ThyroCare through you only, and the H1B was 7.7, and fasting was 128, and PP was 198. Uh, PP I could not check right now, but 3 4 days back I checked the fasting and it was 101. So there has been a very good improvement in that case. And
Great.
also yes, I think the morning sessions has helped me a lot, and I feel energetic. Even if I'm traveling, I somehow take some time out to do the morning exercises.
Great.
So thank you for this program. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Subhaji.